Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have Tesla car, so this video is very important for you because of I'm order bunch of accessories related on my Tesla car, and as usual my favorite online store, and that store name is Tesla platform. Link is available on video description. So now unboxing. Open here first of all, because I ordered a bunch of accessories, so I have no idea what exactly is inside this box. Next one is upgrade performance foot paddle for Tesla car. Look at this, the foot paddle of Tesla car. That one is also $30, 30. Really nice. Overheating warning and emergency glasses. Very easily fix this one as well. We can go outside and fix this accessories as well. This accessories, I fix this paddle from there. So first of all we need to remove this one. Very easily remove. Now we can fix this paddle here. Before fix the paddle you can clean properly, and after that very easy to fix this paddle on your Tesla car, no matter which model you have. Look at this here. I am fixing very easily and conveniable without anyone help. Look like old one. Which one is better? You decide. After that you should purchase this one. It's very easy to fix as well. If you really like this unboxing, you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. If you want buy this accessories, the Tesla platform are providing very affordable and richness of each and every accessories. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.